Morning dear kids, welcome to Montessori 1 maths class. This is your workbook Wonderland of Numbers. Open your book page number 145. Count aloud, write numbers in sequence. Tens units. 1 हमेशा units में आएगा. 1 down is down. 2 must sit down. 3 round and round. 4 is like sitting on a chair. 5 is fat and wearing a cup. Make a cup and turn around. Number 6. 7 is like 7 up. 8 is sleeping snake. Make semicircle. Go up, come down. अब टेंस में 1 आएगा और 0 आएगा यूनिट्स में. 1 0 10. 1 यूनिट्स में आएगा. 1 डाउन इज डाउन. 2 मस्ट सिट डाउन. 3 राउंड एंड राउंड. 4 इज लाइक सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर. 5 is fat and wearing a cup. Number 5. Number 6. Make a cup and turn around. Number 6. Number 7. 7 is like 7 up. 8 is sleeping snake. Number 8. 9. Make semicircle. Go up, come down. 1 0. 1 हमेशा टेंस में आएगा और 0 यूनिट्स में. 1 0 10. 1 down is down. 2 must sit down. 3 round and round. 4 is like sitting on a chair. 5 is fat and wearing a cup. Make a cup and turn around. Number 6. 7 is like 7 up. 8 is sleeping snake. Make semicircle. Go up, come down. 1 0 10. It's your turn, beta. Complete book page number 145. Write numbers in sequence. Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz. Take care.